So I'm starting with this question. This is the first question where I can do it without reading. It says, which words from paragraph 6 help the reader understand the meaning of prescribed? We already did the first passage of this STAR test, and we skipped the second two passages, which were a paired passage, and this one I can do without reading because it's going to use the dictionary. So I have prescribed. Prescribed means, see if I can move this, it means to advise and authorize the use of a medicine or treatment for someone, especially in writing. And these are some similar definitions which are also helpful, but you may not have something like this on the STAR test. To recommend a substance or action as beneficial. To recommend something beneficial. So in the paragraph it says the Apache 8 crew became a co-ed team in 2005. So now the Apache women fight fires along male firefighters. Zeke followed the crew all year as they worked to thin forests and start prescribed fires, which are intentionally set to consume dry fuel and reduce the risk of accidental fires. She also observed the women as they fought very real and very dangerous wildfires. Zeke watched in awe as the female firefighters fought alongside the men on the front lines of several forest fires. 4,000 yellow-clad figures working hard to save homes and lives. Zeke recorded in her documentary that the women's calm, quiet efficiency made them stand out as veterans. So I'm going to look for these words in there: calm, quiet efficiency, intentionally set, very real, very dangerous, and stand out as veterans. So here's stand out as veterans, here's calm, quiet efficiency, here's intentionally set, and here's very real and very dangerous. So right away, I noticed that this one is the one that is closest to my word. So sometimes context clues are closer, but they're not always closer. But I'm going to see which one of these clues helps me know that it is something that is prescribed. In other words, it is advised that that's what they should do. Does very real and dangerous help me understand that they're advised that that's what they should do? Even if it's the opposite, is that what it does? Does calm, quiet efficiency help me understand that they're advised that that's what they should do? And remember that in this case, they're talking about when they're fighting forest fires, not when they're starting fires, right? So calm, quiet efficiency and stand out as veterans, these are the ones I'm Xing out. These cannot be the clues because they're talking about when they're fighting fires, not when they're starting prescribed fires that are intentionally set. So I don't think that very real and very dangerous wildfires, that clue helps me know what prescribed means. I think I need to look up what intentionally means because a lot of people don't know what intentionally means. And when I look up intentionally, it means deliberately or on purpose. So on purpose. So here they are starting fires that are prescribed. What if I said they're starting fires on purpose? Does that make sense? Yes, it does. So notice I had to use the dictionary 2 times to answer this. I needed to look up prescribed and I need to look up intentionally. If you weren't sure about efficiency, you could also have looked up efficiency. I will say that all 3 of those words are Spanish cognates. Prescrito, intencionalmente, and eficiencia are all Spanish words.